My name's Mike Thorne, and I am the grain superintendent here in Sanborn.
I'm Dakota and I'm the location manager at Sanborn. They are hardworking employees and dedication to getting the job done.
Our dedication to our customers. Comment I've heard most often from the customers is how courteous we are and how helpful we are getting them dumped.
Probably the personnel around here. They really like working with our employees and office whenever they come around.
Courteous, helpful, and occasionally hectic.
Say hardworking, dedication, and hardworking.
End up about 30,000 bushels an hour.
About 1.2 million? 3.2, look at that. Pretty short, but we could get them through here in a couple of minutes.
The only real extra alleyway that we have during harvest would probably be our corn pile.
Beginning hours for beans would probably be about 7 to 7, and those vary, but then also for corn, that would probably be about 7 to 8.
My favorite part about harvest is seeing some of the customers I didn't see since last harvest.
Atmosphere of the air, just the total change.
The biggest harvest challenge that we're good at solving is keeping the line short.
We're good at problem solving on the fly. Part of the dedication just from also the farmers having a problem, we were able to work around it. Dedication.
Customers.
Grain.
Grain.
Football.
Harvest.
Tractors.
Ditto. Tractors. Coffee.
Yeah, caffeine. Black coffee.
Coffee.
We'll have a good harvest this year from Sanborn. See you soon.